Your story, your world, all in one pocket. Meet the new Osmo Pocket 4. The upgraded 1-inch CMOS sensor records 4K slow motion at 240 frames per second. You're always ready to shoot with 107 gigabytes of built-in storage. Osmo Pocket 4 now films in true 10-bit D-Log with 14 stops of dynamic range for cinematic depth. 3-axis mechanical stabilization keeps your footage smooth. 2 times lossless zoom delivers clear close-ups.
Wow!
Start tracking with the simple wave, while the improved Active Track ensures you're always in frame. Spatial audio delivers sound from every direction. To start recording, just make a simple peace sign. Go live and share your creation with the world, while activating the Beautify mode for natural, radiant skin. Osmo Pocket 4 features 6 built-in film tones, paired with the upgraded 5D joystick, unlocking endless creativity. And now, there is a better low-light mode. With the new magnetic fill light, you have the power to keep shooting, even after the sunset. This is Osmo Pocket 4, designed so you can focus on your story.